Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing well today. All right, so without so much ado, let's move on to our discussion. Okay, so do you have any idea with this picture? What's your idea with this picture? Right, so it's like parts of the body or it's a human anatomy. Okay, anyway, so specifically our topic for this afternoon is about nervous system and endocrine system. All right. So, nervous system and endocrine system. Okay, so the endocrine system works together with the nervous system to influence many aspects of human behavior, including the growth, reproduction, and metabolism. And the endocrine system plays a vital role in emotion. Okay, so when we say nervous system, okay, nervous system is important for growth and human development. So also, nervous system is the center of ideas. Remember, center of ideas, memory, intelligence, including learning. All right. Again, remember that nervous system is the center of ideas, memory, intelligence. Okay, that includes learning. All right. So here we have the structure and functions of the nervous system. So we have two division, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Okay. So in central nervous system, the body master's control unit. Okay, central nervous system, it is the body's master control unit. So we have here the three sub parts of central nervous system, which include the spinal cord, brain stem, and the brain. All right. So also in peripheral nervous system, okay, the body is linked to the outside world. So we have the autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. Okay, so under the autonomic nervous system, we have sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Again, nervous system is divided into two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. All right, so here, central and the peripheral. Okay, so in the central nervous system, we have spinal cord, brain stem, and the brain. Okay, let's discuss more about this as we go on with our discussion. Okay, so next we have, okay, let's move on to the central nervous system. Okay, central nervous system. The brain is the largest organ in the skull. Again, the brain is the largest organ in your skull. Okay, and the brain is divided into three parts. Number one, forebrain. Here, the forebrain. Next, number two, midbrain. Here, and number three, the hindbrain. Okay, here. All right, now let's have number one, forebrain. In forebrain, you do have cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Okay, so we have the midbrain or the middle brain, and the hindbrain, we have the pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. Okay, just remember all those major parts of the brain. Again, we have we have I mean forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. All right. So here we have the elements and functions of brain. Okay, let's discuss the functions of each part of the brain. So let's begin with the forebrain. Forebrain process. Okay, Forebrain processes sensory information, helps with reasoning and problem solving, and regulates autonomic, endocrine, and motor functions. That is forebrain. Next, let's have the midbrain. Okay. Midbrain helps to regulate movement and process auditory and visual information. Okay. So your midbrain is responsible for your auditory and visual information. Next, we have the hindbrain. Okay, hindbrain helps to regulate the autonomic functions, relay sensory information, coordinate movement, and maintain balance and equilibrium. Okay, so hindbrain is responsible for the movement just to maintain balance and equilibrium. All right, so again, what are the three major parts of the brain? We have forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? I guess there's none. So, that's the end of our lesson for today. Please study more about this, and I will give a short quiz on the next meeting or the next lesson. All right, so that's all for today. Have a good day, and thank you for joining our class. Bye.